inking stamps. So,
Those might need some supervision.
yeah, we're going to talk about them.
Did you guys break them?
Well, it's too late now. It's done, isn't it?
There's another box. Another potential box.
Whoa, those look fun.
See what we do? Let me show you. Now you can only use them on paper.
I think it's got a cap on
We
it.
have to really undo, we have
No,
to
they do.
undo them all.
No,
Yeah,
nothing.
it has a cap on it.
But like this one, see this one here? So I've taken the paper off, and what you do is you take it and you stamp.
I bet it'd be better to stamp on a table.
Yeah, maybe on your blue table over there.
Yeah.
Something hard.
I can put this on.
Sure.
I got labor.
A ladybug? Oh, you sure do. Oh, I bet that's cute. Put your paper over on this table and you'll stamp better.
Here you go, Sophie.
Oh, man. Poor Nana cannot get anything
Oh
open.
my God, these are annoying. I gotta take off the paper on every single one.
You know what? If you had a scissors to start them, it would make life a lot easier.
Here's this one.
Here,
This one's
Sophie,
open. The
Ask
dinosaur's
Mama
open.
to get that ladybug
Try that one.
open. She likes this ladybug.
Oh, you did it. Sophie's doing it.
I loosened it, obviously.
Mm-hmm.
Is it sticking to your hand?
Yeah.
Look at the concentration on that face.
Hopefully they'll work. Let me fix this one for you. Okay, that one's ready, and that one's ready. Try them on your
Try
paper.
it on your paper.
You gotta take the lids off, I think so. Don't you?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
You gotta take the lid off. Just a little lid